Alright, so after I don't even know how long, but we were waiting for a while.
For nearly an hour.
The entire terminal was closed down, Terminal B, so everything here was empty. I don't know if you can see, some planes are barely parking now. A lot of these flights should have flew out a long time ago. Our flight in particular, there's no plane for us, so they're probably parked somewhere on the runway at the moment trying to get some clearance so we can get our shit together. So, got the ticket right there, the boarding pass. Yeah, more importantly than the boarding pass, the Patagonia. You have to have the Patagonia. Don't go on trips without this brand in your luggage.
How did that whole thing make you feel? Did you get scared?
Yeah, it was cool, but what was great was we were in a crowd, but every other person wearing Patagonia, they would look at me and they'd just be like,
I love you.
yeah, they're just, this is like a sign of peace.
Maybe that's why we had to stop.
So there's some heat in this package, in this luggage. Gotta cool it down real quick, you know. We got regulations here, okay? We got a job to do.
I've been moving calm, don't start no trouble with me. Trying to keep it peaceful is a struggle for me. Don't pull up at 6 a.m. to cuddle with me. You know how I like it when you loving on me. I don't wanna die for them to miss me. Yes, I see the things that they wishing on me. Hope I got some brothers that outlive me. They gon' tell the story was different with me. God's plan.
We got the sick ass color. We got the beige. We got the pastel, the earth tone. Oh, I was hoping we were gonna get a cool color. Pretty hyped. Pretty hyped. So this is a Subaru Crosstrack, you can see. In many other languages, Crosstrack means pretty fucking sick. Look at that. What a great car. Fits 2 luggages. That's on game, for sure.
Love is out there. Find it in a Subaru Crosstrack.
This is our room. So it's kind of a mess because we did a little bit of shopping. No, that's kind of just soup. Butternut squash soup. That's like my favorite soup. It comes with the kitchen, couch, misaligned TV. It's literally like, you can't really enjoy it on the couch or on the bed. So we've only been checked in for a few hours now, and look how messy this shit is, dude. Honestly, that's freaking nasty. Look at that. We're hiking this whole trip. Why do you need cosmetics? I don't know. But I took some photos today, so I'm gonna get to editing. All right.
This curse away, but I'll never know your name or the call for you that say.
Your living organism and all its behavior, it's expressing it as a singer sings a song.